If you're looking to generate personalized PDFs with Outgrow, you've come to the right place. Outgrow is an interactive content creation platform that allows you to easily build quizzes, calculators, assessments, and personalized reports, just like PDFs, with a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to create personalized PDFs using Outgrow and how you can make this process simple and effective for your business or project. Stick with me till the end, because I've got an exclusive bonus for you to get started with Outgrow for free. First, let's talk about why personalized PDFs are such a game changer. They're an excellent way to create dynamic, tailored experiences for your audience. Whether you're running a marketing campaign, offering assessments, or providing personalized recommendations, PDFs are a great way to deliver custom content to your users in a professional, branded way. And with Outgrow, this becomes a super smooth process. To get started with Outgrow, you'll want to sign up for an account, and once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. From here, click on the Create New button to start building your personalized PDF. Now you can choose from a variety of templates, or you can start from scratch depending on what you're trying to create. When you're building your content, you'll have a range of interactive options like quizzes, surveys, and forms to gather user data. As users interact with these features, Outgrow collects their responses and stores them for use in your PDF. For example, if you're creating a personalized report, you can ask for a user's preferences, needs, or other inputs, and Outgrow will use that data to generate a PDF that reflects their specific answers. Here's where the magic happens. You can customize the look of your PDF. Outgrow offers a simple drag-and-drop editor to let you insert elements like text, images, and dynamic fields. These dynamic fields are where the personalization comes in. You can pull in the data from your quiz or form answers, like their name, location, or preferences, so that when they download the PDF, it feels personal and unique to them. Once you're happy with the design and the content, Outgrow allows you to set the logic behind the PDF generation. For example, if a user selects certain options in your quiz, their PDF could include tailored recommendations, specific product suggestions, or even a custom report based on their answers. The possibilities are endless. Outgrow also integrates with other tools, so if you're collecting leads or running a larger campaign, you can seamlessly push the data to your email system or CRM. This ensures that the personalized PDFs are just one part of a larger, automated customer journey. Now, let's talk about the delivery. Once your PDF is ready, you can set it up to be automatically sent via email, or give your users a link to download it directly from your site. And here's the best part, Outgrow tracks everything. You can see how many people are engaging with your content, which parts of your PDF they're interacting with, and more. This gives you valuable insights that can help optimize your marketing efforts. The great news is that you can start using Outgrow completely free. By signing up through the first link below, you'll unlock some exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of this powerful platform. Whether you're creating a personalized PDF for lead generation or delivering value to your audience, Outgrow is an incredibly useful tool for your digital marketing strategy. So, to recap, Outgrow allows you to easily generate personalized PDFs based on user responses, design custom content, and automate the entire process without needing technical expertise. The ability to create dynamic, engaging experiences for your users is right at your fingertips. And you can start today with an exclusive free trial by clicking the link below. And don't forget, this video mentioned an exclusive and extended free trial of Outgrow. Make sure you grab it before it's gone.